Greetings everyone, my name is Alex and welcome back to TonTrader. Today we will discuss about different things when it comes to your chart patterns. Without identifying specific patterns, you will not have any success when it comes to trading. Patterns are identified by beginner traders, medium knowledge, or even advanced traders. Everyone should know these patterns. Maybe like head and shoulders that will signify, for example, a possible bearish scenario, or an ascending triangle that will move the price up. These are important things that you guys will need to be aware of, and you will need to identify them in the charts, in the TonTrader charts, in order to launch a long or a short position which will make profits on. Now, when it comes to chart patterns, I will give you some examples and I will pull up a photo which I will explain every chart pattern and how you can use it. And as you see right now on the left side, it is the inverted head and shoulders. Now it is quite similar to the one below called simple head and shoulders, but is reversed. The simple head and shoulders signifies or signals a bearish scenario on your coin. And basically you have three mountain tops or mountain peaks. The first one is a little bit lower, second one higher, and the third one exactly on the same size and distance and pricing as the first one. When you see this, it is quite possible the market will drop. Same as the inverted head and shoulders, the market will move up. Now we also can use the bullish flag or the bearish flag when we had around 2 hits or 3 hits below on a descending channel or an ascending channel. So they're very, very easy to understand and to use. Then we have the ascending triangle and the descending triangle. Basically, this is quite easier. We have a flexible, I'm talking about the ascending triangle, we have a flexible support line that moves up and a fixed resistance line. And exactly at the end, you should place a long position and you will make profits. Reversed, we have a flexible and a downtrend resistance line, and we have a fixed and steady support line. As soon as it hits again, you most probably will make profits opening a short position. Falling wedge and rising wedge, they're a little bit similar, but don't get them confused with the head and shoulders. Look at the steady growth. The symmetrical triangle and the symmetrical triangle reversed, they can also signify a bullish or a bearish scenario. Double bottom and double top, they are the most commonly used chart patterns. When we have a double bottom, we have a good hit on the support line, and as soon as we get over resistance, open the long position and you'll be on profits. A double top again, we have a double hit on the resistance line, and of course the support is pretty fixed, and below we have a bearish scenario. And there you have it, TonTraders. Now let's go on the TonTrader chart to understand how we can identify these patterns and how we can use them in our advantage. See you on the charts. And now let's check the charts for some specific and clear chart patterns. What I'm looking right now, I'm not sure yet, but this looks like a double top or even a head and shoulders, but we need some hits here before moving on. For example, right here, again a double bottom. Right here, a double bottom. We see 2 hits here and then the price moving upwards. It's very easy to identify these patterns. For example, here we can maybe say that we have an ascending triangle somehow. Again, if we're looking back, this is a clear 1 hour double bottom. It cannot get better than this. And again here, we can clearly see the triangle being formed, and this is a symmetrical triangle right now. So we can see over here the triangle and then the price moving down. Maybe a double bottom here and the price moving up. So identifying patterns is very easy. What you do with them, this is another story. You either take action or wait for a few moments to understand if the chart pattern is the right one. Hope this helps, TonTraders. Until next time.